Hello everyone, my name is Reushi Lahiri. I am the assistant professor at Subhash Bose Institute of Hotel Management, Kolkata. Today I am going to talk about a topic from housekeeping department, that is the role of housekeeping in hospitality operations. The housekeeping department takes pride in keeping the hotel clean and comfortable so as to create a home away from home. The aim of all accommodation establishment is to provide their customers with a clean, attractive, comfortable and welcoming surrounding that offer value for money. Nothing sends a strong message than cleanliness in a hospitality operations. No level of service, friendliness, or glamour can equal the sensation a guest has upon entering a spotless, tidy, and conveniently arranged room. Both management and guest consider the keeping of the place clean and in a good order a necessity for a hotel to command a fair price and get repeat business. Hotel may be defined as the provision of a clean, comfortable, and safe environment. It's not confined to the housekeeping department, as every member of staff in the establishment should be concerned with the provision of these facilities in their own departments. In any establishment, there are three departments particularly concerned with accommodations. First is the reception department, whose staff sell and allocate the rooms. The housekeeping department, whose staff plan, provide, and service the rooms. And the maintenance department, whose staff provide adequate hot and cold water, sanitation, heating, lighting, and ventilations as well, and also maintaining and repairing individual articles and area within the operation of the room. Now we will talk about the importance of the housekeeping department. Housekeeping is an operational department in a hotel which is responsible for cleanliness, maintenance, aesthetic upkeep of rooms, public area, back area and surroundings, and so on. A hotel survives on the sale of room, food, beverages, and other minor services such as the laundry, health club, spas, and so on. The sale of rooms constitute a minimum of 50% of these sales. Thus, the major part of the hotel's margin of profit comes from the room sales, because a room once made can be sold over and over again. The effort that a housekeeping department makes in giving a guest a desirable room has a direct bearing on the guest's experience in a hotel. Guest rooms are the heart of the hotel. The housekeeping department not only prepares clean guest room on a timely basis for arriving a guest, but also cleans and maintains everything in the hotel so that the property is as fresh and attractive as the day it opened for business. Housekeeping thus is an ancillary department that contributes in a big way towards the overall reputation of a property. It is right that if we say housekeeping is a 24/7 365 days operation. Other than hotels, professional housekeeping services are very much in demand in hospitals, on cruise liners, at offices, and many more, since most such organizations prefer to outsource these functions. Contract housekeeping is becoming popular in these days. Role of the housekeeping department. Housekeeping plays a very important role in the housekeeping industry, such as to achieve the maximum possible efficiency in ensuring the care and comfort of guests and in the smooth running of the department, to establish a welcoming atmosphere and ensure courteous, reliable service from all staff of the department, to ensure high standards of cleanliness and general upkeep in all areas for which the department is responsible, to provide lines and linens in rooms, restaurants, banquet halls, conference venues, health clubs, and so on, as well as maintain an inventory for the same, to provide uniform for all the staff and maintain adequate inventories for the same, to cater to the laundering requirements of the hotel linen, staff uniforms and guest clothing, to provide and maintain the floral decorations and maintain the landscape areas of the hotel, to coordinate renovations and refurnishing of the property as and when in consultation with the management and with interior designers, to deal with lost and found articles, to ensure training, control, and supervision of all staff attached to the department, to establish a good working relationship with other departments, to ensure that safety and security regulations are made known to all staff of the department. That's it for today. Thank you very much.